Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix network icon is missing on Windows 11. So there are some method to try to fix this problem. First of all, start and type here Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now here navigate Windows File Explorer. Right click on it and restart. So this is the first method. Close it. Second method, start settings, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. Here you will see network adapter. Click on run. Follow suggestions which you will see here. Third method, start, type services, open services. In this list find out WLAN. Auto config. So double click on it and make sure it's automatic and service status should be running. If it's stopped, so click on start, then apply, then OK. Now close it and restart. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve network icon is missing on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment any method work for you or not.